Bro, this thing freaking wheelies. Are you kidding me? Holy crap, I did not expect it to do that. Alright guys, this is a Screamin' Eagle 135 road glide, which is going to be a lot of fun. So I'm looking forward to this beast. And it's an ST, so it's got the good suspension. Oh, I can already tell this thing shits and gets, man. Oh, that throttle is twitchy though. Holy frig! Dude, this thing moves! Wow, that is quick. That is quick. It's a cool demo ride circuit. So, the Lowrider ST, this handling is nice. It's a good riding bike, just in general. Plus that 135 makes it a friggin' animal. Wow. A lot of freaking bike, man. I like it. So that's your spot to do a little ripping on these bikes. I'm sure that there's cops everywhere out here, so we're gonna take her easy. Wow. Pretty freaking cool, man. No idea what the speed limit is here. Overdrive. These things are geared a lot lower than the older bikes. You're at 2,500 RPM at 70, which is fine, but pretty low gearing. Gotta grab a lot of freaking gears to get to the red line. Yeah, right at 6. Okay. That's good for a 135-inch motor. Oh, shoot, I just missed my turn. The old bagger turned around here. Wow, the handling is really good. Where am I going? I'm lost. Okay, hold on. Does this connect to the road that I need to be on? Probably. Or not. You know what? Let's not do this. Guys, I'm freaking lost on a damn test ride. This is kind of hilarious. Okay. Yeah, that's the sign. Alright, that's okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. This is an awesome bike. I love this. If I was gonna have a bagger, this would be the bagger. Yeah, I put some different bars on it and I'd freaking ride the crap out of this thing. Thumbs way up, Harley. You've done it again with some of your bikes. You do a good job. I'm impressed. It's pretty comfortable too. The seats, like, not bad. This bar position's comfortable. I just don't love where they are, but it is fine. The screens have gotten pretty awesome, but a little out of hand. I don't know, it's not huge actually. It's just a very clean, I don't know, the whole thing is just clean and it's a nice setup. You can get some good touring on this thing. Pop your cruise control on, do all your shit with your hand controls. I like it. I approve of this message. God. Bro, this thing freaking wheelies. Are you kidding me? Holy crap, I did not expect it to do that. This thing power wheelies. The freaking road glide that power wheelies from the factory. That's an amazing, this is amazing. I love this motorcycle. I love this motorcycle. Oh crap. I just can't believe it hooked up. I'm really impressed. And the windshield, I'm not getting any buffeting, which is nice. It's really, this is an ideal. I'm starting to understand now finally why people are so obsessed with these touring bikes. They're getting a lot better than they used to be. I mean, this thing feels lighter than it is too, which is awesome. It just doesn't feel like a big burbly, like, giant Harley bagger like they all used to. It feels like smooth and good handling, and I appreciate that. And the exhaust isn't even that loud. So they're making all this power with a relatively quiet exhaust, which is just interesting. I mean, you could open this thing up. I'm sure you put an exhaust in this thing, get rid of the EPA compliant tune, and it probably wakes it up even more. I would think you get another 10, 15 horse and torque, which I don't know what these are listed at making, but good lord, does she already feel nice. I mean, this thing is like fantastic. I feel honored to get to ride a 135. That doesn't just happen every day. Yeah, I just get the impression that they're very strict here with speed and everything at Laconia. I don't want people buzzing down this back road, which I get, but I kind of want to wheelie this thing one more time, I'm not even gonna lie. That was really an amazing moment in my life. You know, it seems to be running pretty cool. It's not that hot of it. It's actually, it's, well, there's probably a thermometer around here, but it's probably 75, 80. It's not hot, but it's warm. And this bike is super cool, which is nice. There's the track. It's a little access road they put you on. Kind of neat. Alright, friends. Well, I think that closes this one out. Screamin' Eagle 135. Road Glide ST. I approve. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, we're good. Ah, okay. We'll go back to the New Hampshire Motor Speedway. Almost scraped a board. That's always my goal. I actually scraped one earlier anyway, but I gotta scrape a peg or a board on every bike I ride. That's my goal. Other than the sport bikes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. God bless America, and I'll see you on the next one.